Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Justice Naeem Akhtar Afghan, Honorable Chief Justice Balochistan High Court, the Honorable Judges from the Lahore High Court, Sindh High Court, Peshawar High Court, my fellow practitioners and distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and warm welcome to you all. I am Mia Shiraz Javed, and as the Chief Organizer, I take immense pride in welcoming you all to this prestigious Pakistan International Disputes Weekend 2023. Almost a year ago, I stood here in this exact spot to open the conference on the judicial perspectives on domestic and international arbitration in Pakistan. This year, by the grace of Allah Almighty, we further our legacy and are officiating the Pakistan International Disputes Weekend. PIDW is a product of months-long planning, dedication, and hard work. In fact, it has grown to become much bigger and better than we envisioned due to the tremendous recognition we have received both nationally and internationally. I extend my deepest gratitude towards the unwavering support of our esteemed judiciary and fellow legal practitioners who have flown in from various parts of the world to participate and ensure PIDW is a success. I further thank our sponsors, supporting organizations, and media partners who believed in our vision and entrusted us with their support and became an integral part of our event. This would have not been possible without the abundant, all-rounding support it has received. We intend to incorporate PIDW as a permanent feature in Pakistan's legal climate, an annual series of events where members from diverse facets of the legal field and beyond gather under one roof and engage in a dialogue to enhance the legal landscape in Pakistan. We feel that a convention alongside the scale of PIW has become a necessity in the current era. The motto of PIW is to review, reflect, and revive. And this is exactly what we are going to do this year and for the years to come, so that we remain on the path of self-awareness and bettering of our practices throughout our service. We hope that through our notion of review, reflect, and revive, PIDW acts as a catalyst for change in the current legal landscape in Pakistan and helps us in advancing the current climate. I will now provide a brief overview of the event schedule that will unfold over the weekend. Today, that is the 20th of May, is characterized by engaging in 5 distinguished panel discussions that will collectively relate to the dissection of the legal landscape in Pakistan. We will have 2 short coffee breaks and a lunch break after the 3rd panel. The first panel will discuss the promotion of better practice in dispute resolution. Why should courts be the last resort? We will then have a short morning tea and coffee break. We will then move on to the 2nd panel on the topic of charting the course of mediation in Pakistan. Should Pakistan be a signatory to the Singapore Mediation Convention? Panel 3 will focus on construction disputes in Pakistan. How should Pakistan deal with CPEC disputes? We'll then have a 50-minute break for namaz and lunch. After lunch, we will resume with our 4th panel on pro-enforcement attitude and the prospects of establishing Pakistan as a regional seat of arbitration. And finally, we will move towards our last panel for today, which is identifying key challenges and weaknesses. Are robust reforms the only way forward in Pakistan's legal landscape? The primary objectives we envision for PIDW are to promote dialogue through insightful panel discussions covering a wide range of topics. The discussions and deductions from these panel discussions will culminate in Pakistan Declaration and will help revamp the current methodologies employed in the legal field. As you will all see, our panels are a representation of excellence. They are an interesting mix of esteemed members of the judiciary, legal practitioners, and representatives from international ADR centers. The world is in a continuous state of evolution. Multiple countries have moved away from an adversarial mechanism of dispute resolution towards a more simplified and facilitative method. The technology and construction courts have become a norm in a number of countries to divide the workload of traditional courts with specialized courts in hopes of speedy and effective dispute resolution. Digital courts and artificial intelligence are one of the recent additions to the current state of dispute resolution. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized all professional sectors and has promoted a move towards an advanced system. The future, as we see it from here, holds many more surprises, and we too should adopt the advancements that uplift our narrative the most, propel us in the way forward direction, and ensure the changing needs of our society is met. Developing and maintaining an open mind is essential for progressing as a country and making sure that we are in the step with the rest of the world and not operating an outdated mode of resolution. As the chief organizer, I'm here to provide you with an open platform to learn, share best practices, and develop everlasting connections which will aid your career advancement. One piece of continuing advice I will share for the upcoming 2 days, which is network, network, and network. Networking is an essential component of one's professional life. When done right, networking opens multiple gateways to elevate one's career by aligning professional objectives and developing synergetic relationships. So don't be shy. We have set a premier stage for networking by arranging a special networking lounge on the right as a comfortable and relaxed space for individuals to interact with each other and build connections. Please note that the event will be recorded and can be accessed by logging into our website www.pidw.pk. For any queries, my team and I are available throughout the event to provide any help in any possible way. We also have a team of ushers and volunteers all around to aid you in case of any assistance or to provide you with any desired information. Finally, coming to the end, I would like to say is to make the best out of this event. Do not forget to enjoy yourself and take advantage of these two days packed with valuable knowledge and lifelong connections. Lastly, I would like to thank the members of the organizing committee of PIDW for their untiring efforts and for turning this event a reality. Thank you.